Since we won't be seeing you at Dreamforce this year, we wanted to give you a summary of what we've been up to at FormAssembly over the past year. From new features and connectors to exciting compliance news, we've got a lot to share. So keep watching to get a sneak preview of everything we'll be sharing this week, and we'll also be explaining how you can win a FormAssembly swag pack just for engaging with our content. We'll start off by telling you about our workflow feature. This new feature will give the ability to create simple to complex multi-step workflows with no code at all. Then we'll talk about 2 exciting ways we're partnering with Salesforce to help you do more at your organization. The coronavirus pandemic affected individuals and businesses alike over the past year. With our COVID-19 assistance program, we wanted to help our customers and partners that were serving on the front lines in the fight against COVID-19. In this video, we'll talk about the projects and organizations that we were able to support. We'll finish off the week of videos with news about one of our favorite topics, data security. FormAssembly released a FedRAMP-ready government cloud plan this year and achieved ISO 27001 certification on all of our plans. We'll talk about these 2 developments and others and what they mean to you. So as you can see, we've got a great week of content in store for you. So we hope you can tune in for all 4 videos. If you share our videos during the week, you could be eligible to win an exclusive FormAssembly swag pack with a hoodie, Bluetooth speaker, and t-shirt. To enter to win, all you have to do is to share one of our videos on social media throughout the week. Take a screenshot of the post and submit the screenshot through our designated form, which is linked in the description. We'll be posting videos daily, and every time you share, screenshot, and submit, that's another entry. Want to be notified each time we release a video this week? Sign up for our newsletter at the link in the description. That's all for now. I'm Dustin Phelps with FormAssembly, and as always, happy form building.